Hello dear students, how are you? Today we will discuss worksheet number 52, tissues, connective tissues. Jigyasa Didi, is blood also a type of tissue? Gyan, those tissues whose cells are loosely spaced and are embedded in a intercellular matrix are known as connective tissues. Blood is also a kind of connective tissues. There are two components of a connective tissue, cellular component and intracellular matrix. यानी कि मीडियम होता है जिसमें सेल्स और कोशिकाएं धसी होती हैं, एम्बेडेड होती हैं. दिस मैट्रिक्स कैन बी जेली लाइक, फ्लूइड, dense or rigid. The nature of matrix depends upon the specific function performed by the connective tissues. Different type of connective tissues are blood, bone, cartilage, ligament, tendon, areolar, adipose. Blood, it has a liquid matrix known as plasma. Plasma is a yellowish fluid in which three different types of cells, RBC, WBC and platelets, are freely suspended. It flows and transports gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide, digested food, hormones, excretory substance etc. from one part of the body to another. आप देख सकते हैं ब्लड सेल्स को. Bone, it is a strong and non-flexible tissues. Bone cells are embedded in a hard matrix that is composed of calcium and phosphorus compounds. It forms the skeleton that provides the framework, shape and support to the body. It also anchors the muscles and supports the main organs of the body. आप देख सकते हैं साइड में. Cartilage, its solid matrix is composed of protein and sugars, due to which it is strong and flexible tissue. Its cells are widely spaced and usually in a pair, embedded in the matrix. It is found in nose, ear, trachea and larynx. सिंपल वर्ड्स में बता दूं कि इनको आप मोड़ सकते हैं, आप नाक को अपने मोड़ सकते हैं और कान को मोड़ सकते हैं क्योंकि वो कार्टिलेज से बने हैं. It is also found at the both ends of bones and makes bone surface smooth at joints, thus providing mechanical protection. Ligaments and tendons, these are fibrous tissues. Ligaments are very elastic and strong tissues and have very less matrix. Ligaments connects bone to form joints. Tendons have great strength with limited flexibility. It connects muscles to bone. Areolar tissues, it fills the space inside the organs, supports internal organs and helps in repair of tissue. It is found between the skin and muscles around blood vessels and nerves and in the bone marrow. Adipose tissues, it stores fat in the body. For cells of these tissues are filled with fat globules. It is found below the skin and between internal organs. Adipose tissues act as an insulator of heat. Now let us discuss the questions. Question number 1. What are connective tissues? Explain with example. The tissues whose cells are loosely spaced and are embedded in a intercellular matrix are known as connective tissues. Example है blood, bone, etc. Question number 2. What are the function of ligaments and tendons? Ligaments connect bone to bone and tendons connect muscles to bone. 3 है where are areolar and cartilage tissues found? Areolar tissues are found between the skin and the muscles around blood vessels and nerves and in bone marrow. It fills the space inside organs. Cartilage are found in nose, ear, trachea and larynx and in bone joints. Question number 4. Name a connective tissue which has liquid matrix. Also write its function. Answer is blood. Blood, it flows and transport gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide, digested food, hormones, excretory substance from one part to another.